Ever pondered the state of your colon health? This often overlooked body part plays a crucial role in your overall well-being. Controlling water balance, aiding digestion, and fortifying the immune system are just some of its vital functions. But when it's not working optimally, toxic waste that isn't properly eliminated can be absorbed by the body, leading to a myriad of health issues. The digestion process typically takes around 24 hours. However, consumption of unhealthy, highly processed foods lacking in essential vitamins and enzymes can significantly slow it down. In some cases, it may take up to 70 hours for these foods to be digested, posing serious health hazards. One of the most common signs of waste accumulation in the body is constipation. It's not just uncomfortable, it can be downright painful. But that's not all. Symptoms of a toxic colon can extend to your immune system, leading to skin rashes, urinary tract problems, and a weakened immune response. It can also affect your mood, causing poor memory, fatigue, anxiety, even depression. Joint and muscle pain, stomach discomfort, indigestion, diarrhea, and gas are other symptoms that can be attributed to a toxic colon. But don't despair. There's a solution to these issues. Developed in the 1940s by alternative medicine practitioner Stanley Burroughs, this cleansing program is designed to eliminate waste accumulation in your body. So how do you clean your colon in 2 weeks? This recipe will aid in removing up to 8 kilograms of waste from your body. You'll need 300 milliliters of filtered water, 10 drops each of peppermint oil and lemon, 1/10 of a tablespoon cayenne pepper powder, and the juice of 1 fresh organic lemon. To prepare, simply mix all the ingredients and add 250 milliliters of water. Consuming this mixture for 2 weeks can help remove toxic waste from your body. To sum up, the state of your colon health is crucial for overall well-being. A toxic colon can lead to a variety of health issues, from physical discomfort to mood changes. But with the right approach, like this 2-week cleansing program, you can help eliminate waste from your body and improve your health. For more information on maintaining a healthy digestive system, don't forget to check the link in the bio or description box. Remember, taking care of your body is the first step towards a healthier, happier you.